Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Jhanelle. In this video I'm showing you how I installed these amazing faux ombre goddess locks. If you're interested in seeing how they got done, stay tuned. So the timing's out of the window with this hairstyle. I initially started around 10 o'clock last night. It is now about 1 o'clock the next day. And yeah, this should have been easily a 4-pack hairstyle. And this is already almost 3 packs. This is what's left to make this a full 3-pack. And then you see there's 19 strands and I have about 20 odd 20 odd braids left to put in there, so that's not going to work. I initially purchased 1 pack of this hair and 4 of this, and I just went to the beauty supply store again and purchased another pack of this hair. This I definitely needed, but I wasn't sure if I was going to need another one of these. Purchased one just in case because I wasn't about to pull everything out. I couldn't be bothered to like double some of these up because that would mean I would have to unravel all the locks I had already made. Not all of them, but a few of them. As I was exiting the beauty supply store, I felt a heat and it does not feel good outside. So I realized this is going to be way too heavy if I add another pack and a half to this. So I am going to then go ahead and double some of these up. I'm not going to bother with this. I'm going to double some more on this side and double some of these and stretch this style out because this is a lot. Now, how to install this, I'll show you at the top. Now, when I get to the hair that I want to braid, you get one of the hair. So I kind of picked this hair on accident and I really do like the curl in it. I initially went to get 2 different brands of hair. I was going to get the Bobby Boss hair that I've used previously instead of getting these Jhanelle locks, and I wanted a different color. And then I was going to get the Milky Way hair instead of this Caribbean, the Afri Natural Caribbean, and the type of hair is Aruba Soft Deep in the color 27. Oh, and the color for the locks that I chose, it's the it's an ombre hair. It's OET 1B27. And the colors, they blend quite well together at the end. So because the beauty supply store that I went to didn't carry either one of the hairs, and it was actually the 3rd black owned one in my area that didn't carry them, I just decided on another style. It happened to be serendipity because I really do like this lock hair a little better than the Bobby Boss. The Bobby Boss has a more plastic feel to it, where this has a kinkier texture to it. It feels more wool-like. It's a bit softer. So we start by taking a little piece from the bundle of hair, being careful not to knot it up. And then you go and get the braid. Now we're going to start from where the braid starts. So I unraveled where the twist was. Now I have the hair in the center. There's many ways you can do this. This is just how I'm going to do it. So I open up this hair into 2. So 2 pieces of the braid, 2 legs of the braid are on this side and 1 leg is on there. So I'll lay one of these strands with the 1 leg, and the 2 legs are in the middle, and then this one is going to be by itself. Oops. And then all you do And then all you do is simply start braiding. Now it's up to you if you want to braid all the way to where you think the lock is going to end. I don't go that far. I braid pretty much to the end of my hair. I may take a little from the other legs just to braid a little beyond where my hair is, but not too much. Okay, so here we go. So here's the braid. It goes all the way down to this. It's cute like this. And then we go and get this braid. Now, one big difference between this hair and the bobby boss hair is the loop at the top. This one actually seems to be intact and fine, but what I found with this hair is that most of them aren't like that. Like this one's a good one too. This is not funny. I've been battling all night with hair that some of it's in the loop and then some of it's flat the other way or resting down on this hair. And it's terrible right now that I can't show you a good example, but what I had been doing was just gathering the hair with the crochet needle, and then I'll put it through the main loop that I find, and any loose loops that I would find, I would put it on here and then use my finger to get it through. So okay, actually this is one of them. See, it was hidden. So like I said, I loop it, I put it through the loop, and then you see this, when I start to unravel it, all of this is going to be wasted hair. So you kind of have to find the loop. Okay, so you get the hair that you're going to use. Open it, place it on my finger just to get ready. Now, your braid, you're going to slip your crochet needle under the braid through the middle. And then you're going to place the crochet loop of hair onto the hook like so. You close the latch, you pull it through, and instead of taking this off here, you're going to open the latch again and slide it all the way down like so. Now you're going to grab the lock and your braid, and then you're going to hook those both into, you're going to put both of those into the hook, and you close the latch, and then you're going to slide both of those through the hoop, the loop. Remove, that's out of the way, and then we just pull it down like so. See, it's tight. Now the braid is raveled going in one direction, so you're going to unravel it like so, twisting it in the other direction, and then you spread it open a bit like so. Now you grab your braid and then you start to wrap around the root. Now I do a little extra wrap at the top, make sure I secure it. So you flatten it against your hair, you just open it up and wrap it, open and wrap all the way down until you get to the end. When you get to the end, you just continue going until there's no hair left. You can wrap and wrap and it's just going to stay there like so. Now if by some chance you get to the end and you've kind of damaged the little curl at the bottom, what you can do with that is just braid it until the lock is no more also, and you can leave it with your cute curl. So now I'm going to go back and salvage the rest of this hairstyle. I can't deal with the heavy load and there's so much bulk. It's going to take some time, but today I got time, cuz